And this is for this shoulder. Yes. I write another arm. Yes, I'm waiting. Now, look at me. I give my knees. I give my knees. Then I close my frame. And I give energy to my partner to open her, to create this shape. Okay? So, thank you very much. So now for followers. This beautiful shape is created not by falling back, because this is disaster for your spine. Yes? So how we create this beautiful shape. First, I need to say that I give my hip and my chest to my partner. And this is only counterbalance of that part of my body that I give to my partner. So if I give my hip line and my chest line like over my knees, you see that this goes over, it's like cover my knees. So I fall forward. So I need to compensate this with my hand weight. That's why we create this shape. And this mostly to side, not to back. So it means that if follower come, give to me, because I am on the right part of follower. So it means that follower goes left and create this shape. This shape. Okay? You can see also that we do the same. So we are in front of each other, but we go a little bit side. So it means that I invite my partner here, you see? Then when I touch her, I close the frame to support shoulder, not to keep closer to me, no, only to support shoulder. And then I like shift and open my partner to the right. You see? And this beautiful shape created by pushing, not by pulling, and by following. Thank you. Really, very, very